Hi guys! Exciting ang vlog natin ngayon. Nakikita nyo ba yung mga mangga na yan? Sa taas. I think hindi nyo makikita from here. Pero aakit ako dito sa bubong guys dahil magmumukbang ako doon ng mangga. Meron na tayong chair dito. Nandito na rin yung table natin. Magdadala ako guys ng asin. Magdadala ako ng... I think magsusuka pa ba ako? I think hindi na. Asin, kutsilyo. Ano pa ba yung dadalhin natin doon? Water. Hindi, plato. Dadala lang tayo ng plato. Magdadala din ako ng cellphone and magdadala ako nito. Nasira pa naman yung aking stand na isa. May kausap kasi si Jan. Gusto ko sana siyang isama dito. Kaso nga lang, sino kaya yung kausap niya doon? Ayan mo, nasira yung aking stand. Okay, kailangan natin ng kutsilyo din. Okay, wait lang. Ilalagay muna natin dito lahat. Sana hindi ito mga hulog lahat, no? So, table, chair, tripod, plato, okay, cellphone. Okay. Ano ko, inaway na naman ni ano, oh. Shh! 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 Midnight! Shh! Oh! Shh! Midnight! They're in the house. They're in the other house now. Meron kasing bagong pusa dito. Andin yung ano, luko-luko yung dalawa naming pusa, si Midnight at si Province. Ano, inaaway nila, parang binubuli nila. So galit na galit si Jan. Dala lang tayo ng kutsilyo doon sa taas. Okay. And then magmumukbang lang ako doon. Ito pala salt. Nakalimutan ko yung salt. Sana walang kausap si Jan, no? Kasi para may kasama ako dito. Pero nakakamustahan kasi sila ng kaibigan niya. Eh, ganyan talaga yan si Jan. Okay, aakyat muna ako dito guys, ha? Sana hindi ako mahulog. Okay. Dito muna kayo. Okay, abangan nyo ako sa pag-akyat ko doon sa taas. Okay, akyat muna tayo guys. Okay. Panoorin nyo na lang ang pag-akyat ko ha. Pag-iskrima ko doon, oh. Sana hindi tayo mahulog. No? Ano ko muna itong mga gamit natin dito guys. Ilalagay ko muna doon ang mga gamit natin. Alright. Looking good. Ayan. Dito. Isi-set up ko lang ito dito guys. Dahan-dahan lang tayo guys kasi baka mahulog tayo. Okay, kunin ko muna kayo. Kasi pag wala kayo, sino manonood sa akin? Kung wala kayo, andito na rin yung asin natin. Okay, akyat ulit tayo. Sana wala na akong naiwan para tuloy-tuloy na ang ating mukbang. Okay. All right. Sakto. Walang ulan ngayon. Okay. Ayan. Okay, lagay natin yung salt natin. Ayan. All right. Magvi-video lang din ako. Okay. Go! Ayan, dahan-dahan lang tayo. Ito, ang lalaki talaga ng mga mangga na ito guys. Oh, hala, so perfect talaga ang mango na to. Parang ayaw ko man itong kunin. Uy, kasi sayang ba? Ayan, oh, sobrang pretty talaga niya guys. Ang lalaki. Ito, try natin to. Try natin tong sobrang laki talaga, oh. Hala ka guys, grabe kalaki, oh. Wow, ang pretty talaga guys. Parang makuan man akong kunin ito, uy. Oh. Hala. O sige, kunin natin ito. Ayan na guys, kumuha na ako ng mangga. Ang laki-laki. Halak, parang uulan man, uy. Okay, meron ako ditong table. Okay. Saglit lang guys, ha. Ikot natin yan. Okay. Mukbang tayo dito guys, mukbang. Okay, ayan, ayan, ayan. Okay. Tayo. Mukbang tayo, guys. Maganda talaga pag may sarili kang pananim, guys, no? Kasi ano libre na, 'di ba? Libre na ang iyong kuan. Libre na ang iyong merinda. O, 'di ba? Actually, itong mga napapaligiran kami dito ng maraming mangga, guys. Even yung mga kapitbahay natin, mostly may mga mangga talaga. Ayan, oh. Wow, ang perfect. Ang perfect ng mangga na ito. Okay, hindi na natin 'to huhugasan. Ayan, diretso na natin itong kakainin, guys. Alam mo, nung bata pa kami, guys, no? Naalala ko, meron kaming 3 malalaking manggahan. Kagaya nito, ito daw ay 100 years old na daw itong mangga na ito, guys, Ayan. Tapos naalala ko nung bata pa kami, syempre sobrang taas na nung mangga namin. Siguro nasa 100 years old na rin yun. Ang ginagawa namin is hindi kami nakakaakit sa sobrang taas niya. Hinihintay na lang namin magmadaling araw, 'di ba? Minsan pag umuulan, malakas ang hangin. Yun, naghihintay na lang kami, guys, na mahulog, mamulak. Mamulak ang tawag sa Bisaya. Ayan. Tapos si Jan nakakatawa, guys, kasi hindi siya kumakain ng manggang hilaw. Pinagtatawanan niya ako, bakit daw kinukuha ko na itong ganito? Kasi daw, bakit ko daw hindi binibigyan ng chance na mahinog yung mangga? Sabi ko, ito kasi ang paborito ng mga Pinoy. Minsan nga nung bata pa ako, guys, sa totoo lang, ang ginagawa ko dito, sinasawsaw ko siya sa suka. Ganyan ang ginagawa ko sa mangga. Sawsaw sa suka. Alam nyo, 3 years na ito, guys, na hindi namin napakinabangan ang mangga. This year na lang talaga, this season na lang talaga, guys, na nakakatuwa lang kasi, blessed talaga this year, guys, kasi wala siyang fungus. Kasi for the last 3 years talaga, hindi namin napakinabangan ito. Siguro, pakunti-kunti lang ang mga naha-harvest namin kasi nangingitim siya. Pero this one talaga, ang perfect talaga. Medyo makapal yung pagkahiwa ko. Ayan. So magtatakos tayo mamaya for dinner. Nakabili na si Jan ng mga ingredients. Ayan po, ganito po kalaki. Alam mo, hindi pa ito malaki Ayan, tignan niyo, guys. Hindi pa ito malaki, guys. May ilalaki pa ito. Umaabot daw ata ito ng mga 2 kilos. Ayan. Mga 2 kilos ito, guys. Or mga 4.5 to 5 pounds. Ayan. At saka itong klase ng mangga na ito, guys, no, is hindi siya maasim. Ito yung gusto ko sa mangga na ito kasi hindi siya maasim. Ang sarap. Ang sarap niya. Wow. Guys, pasensya na, ha. Baka maglaway yung mga nanonood sa atin. Actually, guys, parang linghod pa nga siya pero masarap na siyang kainin. Sa probinsya, kahit linghod pa, so sa asin. Alam mo, ang problema lang ito mamaya, kapag mapadamay yung kain ko, is magingilo na yung ngipin ko. Nag-start na nga siya magngilo Ano ba yung tambal para hindi maghilo ang ngipin, guys? Wow. Naalala ko tuloy yung kabataan ko. Ngayon may isang puno na lang na mangga sa amin. Wala na yung 3 malalaking mangga. Pinutol na. Sa mga kaibigan ko nga nandito sa Florida, message nyo lang ako, punta kayo dito sa bahay, guys, kasi bibigyan ko kayo ng mangga. Much better kung kayo mismo ang mag-harvest. Akyat tayo dito para mag-vlog tayo dito sa aming roof. 'Di ba? Sarap talaga. Pwede rin ito gawing salad, guys, 'di ba? Yung i-chop mo siya sa maliliit, and then Dati ito yung inuulam namin, nilalagyan namin ng ginamos. Ito talaga, promise, hindi ako nagbibiro sa inyo. Tapos minsan pag wala kaming ulam guys, ito nilalaga namin. Siguro matatawa kayo or siguro feeling ko may mga makaka-relate din dito. Guys, sa totoo lang, promise. I-chop mo siya ng maliliit, lagyan mo ng ginamos, lagyan mo ng, minsan nga nilalagyan pa ng suka, ginamos, ganyan. And then yung iba, pinapakuluan. Yung mama ko, buhay pa yung mama ko at lola ko, naalala ko na ganun yung ginagawa nila. Tama nga siya dyan. This is the premium kind of mango. So good. Premium. I can't wait na mahinog ito. Pero marami na kasi ako na paramisan na bibigyan ko nito guys. Siguro magtitira lang ako ng mga 5 piraso lang siguro para matry ko. Hindi naman talaga ako super parang nagkikrave talaga ng mangga, no? Pero magtitira lang ako ng 5 para lang matry namin ni Jan. Kasi sabi ni Jan, premium mango daw ito at hindi ko pa na-try ito na hinog talaga. Kasi palaging green pa lang kinukuha na nga namin. At saka nung mga previous for the last 3 years nga, mga ano sila, mga maiitim, yung may fungus nga sila. May langgam doon, no? Ibon. Diyan yung puno, ano nila, bahay nila. Ang saya-saya dito guys. Ayan, ang dami pang mga malalaking bunga guys. Huwag kayong mag-alala, lahat ng mga nagpa-reserve sa akin. Hoy, asa na, hindi na makita. Ayan. Huwag kayong mag-alala dahil lahat ng mga nagpa-reserve sa akin, bibigyan ko kayo. Pero hindi ako nag-promise sa lahat ha, kasi sobrang dami ninyo. Yung 1 piraso, mahirapan ako sa pag-ubos. Taligsik na. Baba na ako. Nagtaligsik na guys. Bulan na. Wow. Midnight. Hi Midnight. Tinitignan ako ni Midnight, oh. Midnight. Ayun siya, oh. Midnight. Hi Midnight. Ayun, tignan natin si Midnight. Midnight. Hi Midnight. Hi Midnight. Guys, ito talaga, excited na ako ngayon dito guys. Excited na ako dito sa mga avocado natin. Sobrang dami talaga. Nagtatago lang yung iba guys. Ayan, hindi nyo masyadong makita. Pero sobrang dami ng avocado natin. Sa mga hindi makakuha po ng mangga, kasi marami na talaga ang nagpa-reserve ng mangga, huwag kayong mag-alala dahil 3 po ang puno ng avocado namin guys. You heard it right. Okay? You heard it right guys. 3 po na malalaking puno ng avocado natin. Tignan natin dito sa kabila ha. Ayan. Nagpaayos pala yung kapitbahay namin ng roof. Ayan. Kung makikita ninyo dito guys, kung mapapansin ninyo, iso-zoom natin. Okay. Kung mapapansin ninyo dito, ayan, may mga malalaking avocado tayo dito. Ayan oh. Siguro hindi pa siya klaro guys. Ayan. Ayan. Pero hindi yan siya klaro pa. Pero marami dito. And then dito sa kabila, ayan. Sobrang dami din dito guys. Ito yung pinakamalaking puno ng avocado namin. Meron kaming 3 puno ng avocado. Ayan. Ito yung pinakamalaki. Ayan oh. Hindi nyo lang masyado makita kasi nagtatago nga sila. Ayan oh. And then yung pangatlo namin na avocado na puno, ayun po. Ayun. Ayun yung pangatlo namin na puno. O, diba? So ayun lang guys, ayun lang po yung update natin. Okay, bababa na ako dahil umuulan na. Ayoko naman na magkasakit tayo dito dahil maulanan tayo. Okay. Saglit lang ha. Uy, nagkurog-kurog. Okay. Yan, baba tayo. Kaya ko kayang dalhin ito? I think kaya naman. Okay, dito na lang ako sa kabila dadaan kasi dito medyo delikado dito eh. Ayan. Ito na, dadalhin ko to sa baba. Ipapatakim ko kay Jan pero feeling ko hindi siya titikim nito guys kasi hindi nga siya kumakain ng green mango. Nawiwerduhan siya, sabi niya ang weird mo naman kumakain ka ng green mango. Hindi mo man lang binigyan ng chance na ano, na mahinog yung mangga. Sabi ko masarap kasi kapag ka ano green mango eh. Ayan, baba tayo. I-ano muna natin tong kutsilyo, iwanan muna natin tong kutsilyo dito kasi delikado. Okay, delikado guys. Alright, baba tayo. Nahirapan ako dito Okay, saglit. Ayan. Ang hirap. Ang hirap magkumita ng pera. Uy, speaking of kumita ng pera no, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nag-order ng ating collagen soap guys. Feeling ko mauubos na naman yung 10,000 na re-order ko. Nag-re-order kasi ako pero sa August pa siya darating. Ayan, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga kababayan ko dito sa US. Ilalagay ko siguro yung email ko guys no. What do you think? Hindi ako naglalagay ng email eh sa aking description. What do you think guys? Kung marami mag-order sa akin ng soap dito sa US na mga followers ko, subscribers ko dito sa YouTube, what do you think? Maglalagay ako ng email dito sa ano? Pwede naman maglagay ng email, di ba? Hindi naman bawal dito sa YouTube maglagay ng email or telephone number para makontak niyo ako. Ang dami talaga mga nag-order guys, like 5 to 10 pieces talaga yung mga in-order sa akin. As in, grabe talaga. So nagpapasalamat talaga ako sa mga suporta ninyo guys. I love you all. Ayan, nag-prep na si Jan dito. Guys, for today's dinner ay gagawa tayo ng tacos. Crispy tacos. Bumili na si Jan kanina ng taco shell. I-toast natin to. Pero later na natin yan. Ang gagawin ko lang ngayon is shred ko tong cheese. And then, what else? Tomatoes. How many tomatoes? 3.
Well, what we're gonna do is you're gonna take all the seeds out.
Okay.
You're gonna do this.
Okay. Okay, I'll do it. And then take the seeds out. Okay. Alright.
The rest is garbage. You just scrape that out. Scrape that out, and then
I know.
make little tiny cubes so they fit in your taco.
Alright. Okay, what else? This one. Chop this.
Slices, yes.
Don't throw the water, right?
You can. Well, there's a lot there, but at the same time
So tanggalan lang natin siya.
we're leaving, so
Okay.
it's all right. Whatever.
Ayan. So,
Chop in place.
You think how many black olives?
3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 20 pieces.
20 pieces. Okay. Alright. So, unahin ko muna itong kamatis natin, guys. Sabi ni Jan is ganituhin daw sa paghiwa. Tanggalin mo yung liso. Hindi daw niya sinasama ang liso. Ayan. Tanggalin natin ang liso.
Where's the red onion? Do you see the red onion?
Yes.
I need some chopped red onion.
It's out. Lalabas ka, you're going out. So ito po guys, mga ingredients, hinahanda ko lang. Ayan. Tapos si Jan na magluluto nito mamaya. Crispy tacos. Ito toast mo kasi yung crispy tacos. Ako ang sous chef ngayon guys. I'm the sous chef. Medyo matrabaho lang yung tacos ha. I said, making tacos is a little bit work.
Oh, there's a lot of prep.
Uh-huh.
It's very delicious at the end.
And then with this one, guys, usually when you are eating tacos, there's what do you call that, dear? Not yogurt.
Sour cream.
Sour cream. But this time, we're using yogurt. John's homemade yogurt. So
Very
it's
beneficial
very
yogurt.
beneficial to your body. Live bacteria.
Nobody even...
Think about it.
Yeah, it's very, very, very beneficial.
And what's funny is we just realized that it's best for stir fry as well.
Oh yeah, it makes the chicken...
We just invented.
chicken-
Creamy.
Chicken stir fry becomes like a stroganoff.
Yeah. It turned creamy.
It
So-
actually works better than sour cream, which is traditionally used.
So tomorrow meron kaming bisita dito sa bahay guys. Si Juliet and si Bob. And lulutuin ni John is roast beef. And ang dessert namin is berry basket.
Are you sure?
Maybe. So lalagay lang natin dito. Set aside lang muna natin. You think it's good enough? Okay, I think so.
Oh yeah, that's good.
More than enough.
I always buy more than
Okay.
my
So
brain.
set aside lang natin. Okay, tomato is done. Ito. Sarap ng black olive.
They're delicious. I know. I was gonna have some from over here.
Sarap. You think it's enough?
Yeah, we
How
have,
small, dear? Like this?
we have 10 tacos, just slices.
Okay. Thin slices ko lang siya, guys. Ayan. It's gonna be delicious.
So the tacos are amazing.
And then especially, when it's crunchy, when it's done right, it's delicious.
I only got 10 shells because
But, you know what, guys? Yeah, 10 shells is fine. You know what, guys? John make the best tacos. Better than the ones we buy at Taco Bell. I mean, Taco Bell is still delicious, but you know,
they're yummy, but
They're yummy, but-
they're very commercial.
commercial, yeah. There's a difference between delicious and nutritious and just delicious. So this one we're making
I
is,
love the black olives.
yeah. Sa black olives naman, guys, ako personally, I like the green olives because it's like salty and something like that. Hindi ako masyado dito sa black olives. Pero masarap pa din naman. Ayan. Sabi ni Jan, kain na lang tayo sa labas kasi order na lang sana kami kasi ang tagal ni Jan nakipag-usap sa kanyang kaibigan kanina. Remember na umakit ako doon sa bubong and then nag-usap pa lang sila ng kanyang kaibigan. And then sabi ko, bakit ka kasi nakipagkwentuhan pa, nakipag-chikahan pa? And then sabi niya, kain na lang sana kami sa Kuya Tropical. Sabi ko, wala akong vlog ngayon kung hindi tayo gagawa nito. Ayan, done na ako sa ating black olives and then ating tomato. Next naman is onion. Kaya, hindi na lang papayag siya. Lalabas pa sana yan si Jan para pibili ng
beef, we use ground chicken.
Ground chicken yung, oo. Usually, di ba sa tacos is beef siya, guys. Pero this time, ang gagawin namin is chicken. Ayan. So, next naman, I didn't finish.
Oh, it's okay.
It's
We
okay,
have
right?
enough.
Okay.
We have
So,
enough.
next naman,
I
guys,
always buy
is
too much. That's okay.
I think cheese muna tayo, darling. Cheese. I think I need to
do
wait.
the cheese.
Last is the onion. We want, guys, we want to put everything in our tacos. So it will be delicious. Half, darling.
Oh, I don't know. It doesn't matter because
We can save it, no?
whatever you do, it's okay.
It's okay.
We're leaving soon.
Ay, oo. Malapit na pala kami umuwi
Clean
ng
up the freezer.
We're cleaning up, we're cleaning up the refrigerator. Kasi in 10 days?
Yeah, about 10 days.
Oh, about
maybe
10
11.
days. Oo, uwi na kami.
Maybe 11.
Sana dumating na kaagad yung mga bags ko, guys. Kasi pag hindi pa talaga siya
Time
dumating,
is flying by.
magagalit yung mga
I can tell
customer
you that.
ko. Dito, darling, right? On this side, darling.
That's a good side.
Okay. Ano po, worry ako, guys. Actually, label created na, sabi. From Malaysia kasi yung mga bags, diba? And kailangan dumating na siya, guys, kasi pag hindi pa yung darating, ipapakiusap na lang namin doon sa kapitbahay namin. Nasikip na siya na lang muna mag-receive. Kaso nga lang, guys, ang problema nito, syempre yung mga nakabayad na ng mga customers. I know naman na maintindihan nila, guys, no, na kapag hindi pa talaga dumating, anong magagawa ko? Wala naman ako magagawa. Pero hassle lang sa part ko, guys, kasi syempre magre-refund ka pa dahil baka sa iba kailangan nila ng pera nila, 'di ba? Pero for sure naman, mostly sa mga nag-order sa akin is maiintindihan nila na pag wala pa talaga, wala naman talaga ako magagawa. Hindi ko naman makokontrol yun. Pero sabi naman is, pag mga ganyang label created na, guys, sa... Ay, hala, nakuan. Natunga na sa... Sige na, kagyaw-yaw. Pag label created na, is darating na daw yan within a week. So, hopefully, feeling ko magiging busy kami. Hindi pa nga ako nakapag-impake. Dapat pala mag-impake na kaagad kami, guys, no? Para just in case ba, ready na kaagad lahat. Pero 2 maleta lang yung dadalhin namin. And this time, is hindi na ako magdadala ng mga pasalubong sa mga kababayan. Kasi nga, wala nang space sa maleta namin. Ang dadalhin ko na lang is yung mga Trader Joe's bag na lang ang ibibigay ko. Kasi syempre, para napapanahon, di ba? Na uso yun. So, yun yung ibibigay ko sa mga kababayan natin sa barko. Magkukrus muna kami ni I think it's already a lot here or more.
That's a lot.
Okay, that's a lot na, no? Okay. So, tapon. Itago ko na to. Kakain lang si Jan. Oh, sabi ko na kakainin niya Ako din Si Lusa. Oh. Alright. So, ayun. Hopefully talaga dumating na. Alright, next natin, guys. Okay na tayo dito. Set aside ko muna yan. Next natin is itong
Diced red onion.
red onion. Half, darling.
No, that's a lot.
This one.
There you go.
Excited, no? Kalahati sana yung anahin ko, sabi ni Jan. Ay, ang dami niya. Okay. So, yan. So, be ready. Iiyak na tayo. Parang matigas. Si Jan, pag nagpapanit siya nito, guys, is isang layer lang ang pinapanitan niya. Ako hindi ko ipapakita sa kanya kasi magagalit siya. Ang mahal ng onion na yan, tapos
Now add some chili powder.
ang mahal ng onion na yan, tapos
I don't like the
ilang
shaker.
layers ang tinanggal mo?
Shaker's a joke. I made a big mess.
Nagkamuritsing na ang agi ni Jan. Alam nga na, may kamera ng katanaw. Siyempre, nagkamuritsing yun.
Onion powder, garlic powder.
So, yun yung mga, guys, basic lang talaga. Garlic, and then what oil did you use, darling, for that?
I use tallow.
Okay. Talo, and then onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder.
Some fresh garlic chopped.
From the garden. Oh, ito. Parsley. You gonna put parsley also or no?
No.
Okay. So, ayan. You want it very fine, darling, or it's okay?
Yeah, good and fine is good.
Okay.
Because you're gonna build it in top of the,
Oo nga pala.
whatchamacallit, the
The shell.
taco shell.
So, kailangan maliliit pala talaga siya, guys.
So I got my spices in here.
Nalalagyan ni
The
Jan
chicken
ng
stock to turn the tomato paste into tomato sauce,
Yep. Nasaan na yung aking tripod?
but then dry it out so it's nice and thick.
Mag-vlog din ako. Mag-reels din ako. Nasira din dyan yung tripod ko. The tripod is already broken.
It's not broken. It still works. It's broken, but it's still
It's still working.
working. Might be a little unstable. That's all.
Mag-reels lang ako saglit, guys, ha?
Oh, that's not the one, right?
No. I'll just use this one. So it's a little bit. It's Tacos Friday, right? Hey everyone, it's Taco Friday! Ayan, niluluto lang ni Jan itong ating chicken, ground chicken for our tacos. Ayan, ito toast natin ito mamaya. Ito toast natin ito mamaya. And then, naka-prepare na din ako, guys, ng ating black olives, tomatoes, red onion, and then may cheese na rin ako na nag-grate dito. So, I think that's pretty much it. Ay, ilalagay ko to sa magandang lagayan, darling. Sa white one, no? So, it's beautiful. We're gonna do a plating.
We have to do the magical
Ay, ito na yung magical na gagawin ni Jan.
toasting the taco shell.
Aha. So, this is how we toast it, guys. Okay, let me open this one first. So, ganito yun siya, guys, ha? Pag nag-toast kayo ng shell, ganito lang ang gagawin niyo. And, ooh.
The none's broken. So
Aha, so far. You have to be careful. Otherwise, I'll be sorry. Ay, I can't wait. Don't put too much chili, ha? It will bring us to the bathroom. Ay, gidaghanasan.
Needs more spice.
Makuha, taan na ros Casillas. Balik, taan na ron.
Taron! Ay!
Dilaghan na, gisurot na. Wala na nagpapigil. Oh, wow. This is gonna be good. Alright. Tabi muna natin yan. What else, dear? Dakuan. Muntik nang makalimutan ang most important one. You want me to wash it first?
No, I think that just take a few pieces off.
Okay.
Take
2,
6 pieces.
3, 4.
That's
Okay.
good.
With this?
And then wash it and chop it.
Okay.
One of the things with making tacos, you want the meat to be very small. I'm almost tempted to put it in the chopper to make it very fine.
Oh, okay.
Because it fits better. But it's, it's hot and I'd have to let it cool in order to do that.
And we don't have time. We're hungry.
Yeah, we don't want to wait.
We don't wanna wait. We don't wanna wait.
We don't want to wait.
We
We don't want to wait. We don't want to wait
Here.
till our
This small?
time is over. Yes,
small.
that's good. Oh, you're very good.
Taco maker.
Yeah.
Of course. Saan ba magmamana? Because I have a chef husband. That's why. And not just chef husband. Very good chef husband.
That's what they say.
John always say, I'm just a simple guy. I'm just a simple...
I'm just a cook from Lake Worth.
Sabi ko, don't underestimate yourself. Ina-underestimate niya ang sarili niya. He worked too much effort.
No, the waiter that comes and helps says, "Wow, you're so much better than the other chefs in the house."
Exactly. Oo. Hindi naman yan siya guys na nagmamayabang o
And
nagbubuhat
I'm
ng
like,
bangko or
really?
what.
Why?
Si Jan talaga, he put and effort. A for effort.
How can I be better than those guys? They went to school.
Oo, wala yung, hindi yan nag-aral sila ng culinary or whatever. But Jan is the best.
They have a scarf around their neck. They wear the suit, and the
Uh-huh.
chef coat.
Right.
They have to be better.
Do you want to just put it like that, right?
You can.
Ah, okay. So it's good.
That's good.
It will not be messy.
Next thing to do is to bag the sour cream.
Ah, okay.
I mean,
Yeah.
not the sour cream, the yogurt.
And I think I can just like that.
'Cause
Not everything.
It won't
No,
fit. It won't fit.
it won't fit. No.
So okay.
No, it's
do
only
that.
for It's only for a show.
You
This
need
one.
a bigger. You need a bigger one.
Ay, okay. Yeah, I need a bigger one.
And we'll put the beef there.
Okay, perfect. Yep.
And I need the shells.
Ah, okay.
And
Be
I'll
careful.
get them ready.
Wait lang, dear. The camera.
No, don't worry,
Okay.
because the oven's not preheated yet.
Okay.
You want to taste the ground beef?
I know
The
it's
ground
delicious.
chicken? How did I say ground beef? I shot the chicken.
I know it's delicious. Look at that! Are you guys excited? I am excited. Okay, i-ano ko muna to, linisan ko muna para maganda naman yung ating presentasyon. No, I'm gonna... Ito? This one, darling? Yeah.
Ito,
Ah?
the
What?
cheese.
Ah, the cheese! Oo nga. How come nakalimutan ng cheese? Yan. Uy, naghugas ako kahapon. Naghugas ako kahapon.
Wow, can't wait to eat.
I can't wait. Me too. Ayan. Huwag kayo mag-skip ha. Sino pa yung mga nakaabot sa portion na to? Nandito pa ba? Yan guys. Ay, okay na maglalagay. Ay!
Ay, karamba.
Palagi talaga ako naaano dyan, darling. Ayan na, maglalagay na si John. Ganito yung style na gagawin ni John. Ayan. Dahan-dahan lang siya guys kasi
My oven.
brittle
My
brittle.
oven's very slow. Oh, yep, we got a broken one.
Ay!
There's always a broken
There's
one.
always a broken. Ano ba yan?
That's okay. The others are survivors.
Oo. Do you want me to hold it?
No, I can just do this.
Oh, okay. Because it will be broken.
No, you'll see. When I lift it up,
Mm-hmm.
it's ready to go.
Sige daw.
You're gonna see.
Dahan lang.
When I
One.
lift this up,
Aha.
it's ready to go, but the oven's only 200 degrees.
Ah, okay. So not yet, not
I
yet.
want 350.
Okay, no, hold on. Let me just clean this one.
You can clean.
Yep. Clean muna natin to guys para maganda tignan ba sa atin. Para maganda sa presentasyon. Presentable. Gusto ko talaga mga presentable ba? Kasi yung mga mababash tayo, darling ba?
Oh,
Mga pinagbagaw.
also, can't forget. Holy smoke.
What is?
Our Cholula.
Hi! How come?
Did you want me chopped avocado to put in your taco?
For a change, no?
You can. It's up to you.
Is it Is it something to try on?
Oh,
What do you think?
Yeah, it's all good. It's all good.
Oo. Feeling ko lang, kasi first time natin gagawin yan. It's gonna be our first time to try, if ever. Okay. Hold on guys, ha? Ano muna natin to? Gusto ko talaga malinis talaga muna dito sa counter. Kahit dito man lang. Kahit dito man lang. So there's already ripe there. This one is a little hard.
Oh, I like the firm ones though.
Ah, okay. Ah, sige, firm mo lang.
There's more in the refrigerator if you like it more soft.
Oh, but if you want the
But I'm
firm
about
one.
to go into the oven anyway.
Ah, sige. Okay. Sige.
You have to show the video of me picking up the wrap.
Okay. Ayan.
Okay, so I have it all laid out.
Mhm.
I'm just gonna go.
Aha, parang niya. Wow!
Look at that.
Aha.
Uh-huh.
Pinahambog yun niya, bag. Ipahambog yun
Even
niya,
the
guys.
broken one will get toasted.
Aha. Ipahambog yun niya, guys, nga. Kuan.
In we go.
And we go. Don't walk away, ha?
Do not walk away. They burn
Very fast.
very quickly. Yes,
Is it?
fast.
Oh?
Oh yeah, you'll mess them up quickly.
Ah, okay. So don't walk away.
It's not
Just ano.
preheated. I couldn't wait. So it's still preheating.
Mm-hmm.
So the fire is on hard.
Okay.
So maybe 2 or
2
3
minutes.
minutes.
2
You
minutes.
can see them.
Try that 2 minutes.
You see them.
Brittling.
Sizzling.
Sizzling.
Yes.
Ayan.
The oils come right out of them.
Oo. Dyan ka lang. Stay there, stay put. Okay, what else there did you say? Missing? Okay, avocado.
Don't talk to me. I'm watching the shelves.
Oo, nagagalit na si Jan, guys. ayan na. Watching ka dyan. Ayusin mo ang pag-watch dyan. Kaya ako, mag-ano muna ako dito. Takawanan, Miss Jan, guys. Ganito lang kami dito, guys, no? Pero, enjoy talaga kami ni Jan dito. Kaya nagtataka yung iba naming mga kaibigan na baka nagdadabog si Jan Johannes, ganito, ganyan. Ganyan lang talaga yan si Jan, guys. Hindi po siya nagagalit, ha. Pag naririnig niyo siya sa mga videos namin na kumakalabog, kumakalembang, hindi po siya nagagalit. Just a explanation, darling. Maybe they are wondering. Sometimes you are banging things or something like that, and then they say that maybe you are mad. And then I told them, no, you are not mad.
I'm just a chef.
Na, ganyan lang talaga, guys. Pag mga chef talaga, parang mabilisan ang kanilang kilos at galaw. So, wala silang lamya-lamya ba, kagaya sa akin. Pero ako kasi talaga, guys, is very, para akong sensitive. Nung una, para akong na-sensitive na, ano ba yan, parang pinagdadabugan ako. Uuwi na ba ako nito ng Pilipinas?
You should see me with my phone.
Oo. Oo. Ako, hindi ko na yan ikukwento sa inyo, guys. Kapag ka may ino-open niya si Jan na app or something, tapos hindi nagko-cooperate yung kanyang phone, tinatapon. Tinatapon niya talaga yung phone niya, guys. As in, nagdadabog talaga siya, guys, na parang galit siya. Pero hindi siya galit. Okay? So, sa mga ma-misinterpret lang, guys, is, sinasabi ko sa inyo is, hindi po talaga ganoon si Jan. Okay? Kasi baka isipin ninyo na, oh, Johannes, mag-ingat ka, ganyan. No. Ganyan talaga si Jan. Especially kapag nape-pressure siya, kaya ayaw niya na nakatutok talaga yung camera. Ayaw niya na mag-vlog. Ayaw talaga niya na mag-vlog, guys.
You tell them about the phone call I got this afternoon?
No.
From somebody from back in 2008?
Ay, yun, no.
Because I'm so kind, I wrote a letter.
Aha.
That was Leo. She's a server. I wrote her a letter because I thought we didn't pay her enough.
Her name is Leo?
Uh-huh.
Oh. John is very kind person talaga, guys. And you know what? How many years, dear, did you not contact each other? 30. Maybe 30. Oh, maybe
No,
20.
2007.
Okay. So, 20 years.
18?
Oo.
Yeah.
Something like
Been
that.
a while. Okay. So.
Okay. Lagay natin dito, darling.
These are toasted now.
I think you're gonna put in here, darling.
Oh, well, yeah, but I got too many.
Okay.
I want to get them off the rack.
I think only 5 you can fit here, no?
Only 5.
Oo. Or maybe
It's
4.
in your hand, so you see only 4.
Aha, only 4. 1. Ayan. Ito siya, guys. Ganyan. 2, 3, 4.
Those are so delicious after they're toasted.
Woo! Wow, guys! Let's build our tacos! Ay, hindi pa pala ako.
Don't forget to toast your taco shells.
Oo, always.
You'll be
Always
sorry.
toast your tacos.
So I just showed you guys how to do it. It's very simple. You can do it in a toaster oven. You can do it in a regular oven.
Okay, so slice ko muna ito saglit, guys. Avocados
But the
natin.
biggest thing is the oven has to be preheated. Otherwise, they will burn.
Ay, hala, gawa ka muna nung ano, dear, the ziplock.
Do you like the avocado? Or is it too firm?
Looks like it's too firm.
Oh, I like it like that.
Okay.
Maybe not so good for you.
It's okay. Is it good?
Yeah,
It's nice.
because you're going to have all the other flavors going with it.
Okay.
We have all of that flavorage going on.
Looks like it's not gonna fit. You'll just have to put a little bit of everything.
A little bit of everything. That's how it always is.
Oo.
It never looks like enough, and then all of a sudden, kaboom! You have too much.
True, true.
It's,
Hala, I can't wait na
chef's
talaga. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Ayan, what John is doing right now is, show it to them, darling.
Oh, I got a pastry bag.
Ah, okay.
Because our Ziploc bags are pleated and they don't really work well. So I have pastry bags. But a Ziploc bag works very well for this as well.
This is good?
Yeah.
Okay. Mas gusto ni Jan yung firm. Ayaw ko ng firm eh. Okay, so I think we're just gonna leave it in here, darling. Or we're just gonna put it in something to do the
Put it
plating.
on the tray.
Tray, no? With a bowl or something? I think.
Whatever. Yep.
With a bowl na lang. I would this one na lang. Oh, it's a little big.
That's good.
Okay. So, transfer natin para mas maganda talaga siya tignan. Para aesthetic talaga siya ba? Aesthetic. And then we're just gonna use our hands for all the, except this one. We're just gonna put spoon in this one. And then the rest, we can use our hands. Our hands are okay. Hello guys! Oh my god, I can't wait! Ayun na si Jan. Nilagyan niya ng...
Cut a little tip.
Aha.
Cut off the tip.
And then
Now.
later... Perfect. Perfect. Up, up, up! Alright, perfecto. Okay. So, I'm just gonna put it in here. Hello! Wow! Avocado. Hala, it fits! It perfectly fits. Okay, we're just gonna make pictures first. Ala ka, guys. OMG, I can't wait! Okay, picturean muna natin. Taco Friday! Okay, puro muna natin to. Ba't may mga microphone?
Do you want a glass plate or a paper plate?
Let's do the paper plate.
Are you sure?
Because it's white. Okay. Alright. Ay, sabi ko di ba kakamayin? Si Jan nilagyan ng kutsara. But anyway, it's okay.
That one's with the spoon? Yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
Okay.
Oh wow, ang dami na nating hugasin.
Don't forget your cholula.
Cholula! Okay, so,
We're
you wanna
missing
start?
beans and rice.
Oo mo. You wanna start?
I don't care.
Okay, so you can
Well,
start.
no, we're just gonna build.
I will build it here, right?
You don't need the plate.
Oo,
You're
we don't
gonna
need
go.
a plate. Oo.
You're gonna go one at a time.
Oo.
With the meat.
Meat first. Yeah, you can build first yours.
Then it's
Ano
ready.
kasi dyan? Wait lang, darling. Kasi ano kita. I-focus ko sa'yo, darling. Focus, focus on, darling. Ayan.
If I look at the package, I think I got the extra large tacos.
Oh, you have ano? Scratch? Is that from Kitty Midnight?
I don't know. I've been working today.
Oh. Ano ba yan? Ayun. Nilagyan mo lahat? Okay. You're gonna build everything.
Oh yeah, might as well, right?
Alright.
So there will be 2 and 2. 2 for you, 2 for me.
Okay. For the first batch. For the first batch. So, ito na guys. Meron tayo ditong ground chicken. And then, meron tayo ditong black olives, red onion, tomato. We have the lettuce, avocado, and cheese. Okay, next is the red onion. Hello, can't wait. La 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 la.
There's nothing better than
Homemade.
homemade tacos.
Yeah.
There's nothing better.
Avocados. Parang gusto ko siyang kamayin.
I'll eat the fast food, but I taste how cheap it really is.
It is. This one, guys, is All you have to do is
That's it.
Yun lang. Kasi sobrang dami. Ang dami. I think that's the last. Are you gonna do queso next? Okay. Yeah, it's okay. It's gonna be messy, actually.
They are messy. They're messy to eat. It's like a salad left on your plate,
True, true.
but it's so delicious. It's not even
Funny.
funny.
Next is the tomato. Okay. Oh, mas gusto ni Jan na lagyan muna ng
Yeah, this will
ano,
make things stick.
steak. Okay. That's a good idea. So we're using our homemade yogurt. Malagpot na guys.
Which is super
super
beneficial.
beneficial. Super delicious and nutritious. So Jan's putting the tomato now. A little bit of everything.
The L-Rooterite yogurt is good for your skin.
And then this one, the last one.
I don't want to use my spoon anymore.
Yeah, I told you. Hand is better. It's okay. We don't have visitors here. So let them bash us.
Pashas.
Look at that. Okay, eto na nga. Uy, hindi pa natin nalagay yung ano, yung chulula.
Oh, that's to your discretion. Cholula, everybody.
Okay. No, that's to my discretion.
Cholula, everyone.
No. I will
Okay.
just put a little.
Cholula for me.
Okay. Crispy tacos. Homemade.
Wow.
Lame
Holy
kaayo.
smokes, I'm telling you.
We have to, we have to.
I'm telling you.
Dali here.
Wow.
Dali ka here, oh.
Uh-huh.
We're gonna cheers,
I'm
darling.
coming.
Okay. Cholula! Homemade cholula for dinner.
Homemade tacos for dinner.
Ay, homemade cholula.
With Cholula.
With cholula. Okay. Let's cheers, darling.
Cheerio.
Ooh. Wow.
Wow, that's right.
I should have not eaten mango. Just my teeth. Sensitive. Yeah, it's really good. It has layers of flavor, and you're right. The avocado is the perfect addition to this. Wow. Every bite is
Perfectly seasoned. It's delicious.
I wish all the taco stores are like this. Because sometimes we're
I don't
tired.
know why they're not. Even the ones that sell tacos.
Because sometimes it's tiring to make this one So we'll just have to go out and buy. And sometimes we get a lousy tacos.
It's hard to find crispy tacos.
Mm-hmm.
They're all selling flour tacos, which is really lazy. You can't beat this.
Gusto ko i-try nyo din to sa bahay ninyo. You try this at home. I know that not every one of us like tacos, just like me before. Just like I said, it depends on the tacos and how it made. But this one, when you try John's tacos,
At the end of the day, you have all your ingredients left over.
nilo lang yung ngipin ko.
That's a pound of ground chicken.
I cannot finish that one.
That's a lot of chicken. It
Not
doesn't
that
look
one.
like much when you start, and it's a lot. You can make a taco salad.
The leftover.
Leftover taco salad.
Ay, but in fairness ha,
It's basically a taco salad.
in fairness what you did was good. Like the layer, how you layered it, because look, the plate is pretty clean. There's no falling debris. Falling debris! Mm. This is amazing. No joke, huh? It's not that we're boasting ourselves because we're the one making it. No. It's really good. Tell us we're a liar if you tried it and you didn't like it.
Mm-hmm.
You know what? I haven't finished the one yet. The one tacos. And it feels like I'm already full. Satisfied.
Very satisfying.
Because it has layers of everything. It's really makes you full right away. Lord, thank you. I forgot to pray. But thank you for the blessings.
Amen.
Mm-hmm. Can share this to the family. Ah. Grabe. Tapos mo na yung dalawa mo? We finished already the two. He's working on 3 now.
Mm-hmm. See, these are the bigger taco shells. You can put more inside. That's why they're so filling.
Yeah, we don't like the other one.
This is
I don't like the small one.
much bigger. And actually crispy, not soft like Taco Hell.
Mm-hmm. Ba't ko ba inaalsa ito? Dumilo lang yung ngipin ko, guys. Kasi kumain akong mangga kanina. Wow. Nagkampak. Sarap.
So sarap. One for you, one for me.
Okay. But if you can finish too.
Oh, at this point probably, but I can make another one.
Okay.
It's okay. I need a fork for my taco salad left on my plate. I know taco night is always special. This is like amazing.
Mm-hmm.
This recipe, this food is
Amazing.
over the top. Amazing.
Ground chicken is also a good replacement for beef. But beef is delicious too. It's just that it's not for me.
Beef is delicious. We're having beef tomorrow. Otherwise, I would have done beef.
Roasted beef kami tomorrow. May bisita kami tomorrow. Appetizer namin tomorrow is chicken wings because Jan is gonna show Juliet the best chicken wings in the world.
Mm-hmm.
Hindi kasi maniwala yung friend ni Jan. Chicken wings? Best chicken wings? I think all the chicken wings are the same. Hindi siya maniwala.
No, I perfected chicken wing.
Tomorrow, we will show it to you. how to make the delicious chicken wings in the world. Abangan nyo yan, ha? Parang gusto ko mag-cook, darling. Better with Coke, no?
Where's your Coke?
I know I'm gonna pay it later.
For? Cholula?
No, the Coke. Sometimes. But it doesn't matter. I don't usually get enough sleep.
Are you taking magnesium every night?
I'll take later. Mag-magnesium ako mamaya. Mag-cook ako.
No, that's yours.
We can have. Because I'm full already too.
You're gonna break it in half?
Yeah.
All right, I'll get fat with you. Thank you, dear.
Oh, I broke it.
That happens.
Inom nala ako ng magnesium glycinate mamaya. Tama katulog ako.
You know, when I go to Taco Bell, I get 6 tacos and eat 4 of them.
I cannot finish.
I'm super full, but I can't stop. I don't know what it is.
Hindi ito talaga ng ngipin ko.
If my darling wasn't going to help me, I probably wouldn't want to do it. So worth it. Holy smokes, that's delicious.
Kumakain pa nga siya. Kilaw na siya, kilaw.
Wow. Super full.
We should try this one when we have friends.
Well, originally this is what we would do. My friend Mark, that I worked with at the restaurant, go to his house, have taco night. Because this is what his traditional thing was with his family.
Ah, okay. He's a Mexican?
You can't beat the homemade taco. It's just I don't care
Put
what
the effort.
restaurant you go to. They have authentic tacos. Yeah, whatever. I'd rather have American authentic. So you have the corn tortillas. You do your cheese, you do your lettuce, you do your tomato, onion, black olive, sour cream, hot sauce if you want. It's just never the same in the restaurant.
Never the same.
And so many places only offer soft tacos. It's a flour tortilla. To me, that's a burrito. I don't want a burrito.
Oo.
I want a crispy taco every time. And they're just not offered. You go to the fast food, it's a crispy taco until you get home. It's a soggy taco that was crispy.
You should eat it at the restaurant. You should eat it right away.
So when you do it at home and you toast the taco shells like I showed you and build it up, you'll never be sorry. The work is worth it. Some of the shells, they sell them where they'll stand on their own. They got a flat spot. So it's easy to do it right on the counter, whatever. But I'm telling you, and
Can we retoast that tomorrow?
yeah,
So just, We'll just cover it with plastic.
No, it always seems like there's never enough.
Oo,
I look at 1 pound of meat and I'm like, okay, I know that's enough.
Mm-hmm.
But then how much lettuce?
Right.
I bought 4 little tomatoes. That's like a quarter of an onion, half of an avocado, that's 4 ounces of cheese.
Yeah.
We can feed an army with just what we have. That's a whole family meal.
So, ano ko na lang to siya guys, cover ko na lang siya with plastic. And I'll put in the ref. So, tomorrow,
We'll have tacos for breakfast.
yeah. Taco salad. Diba?
Mm-hmm.
So, ayun. Cover lang natin yan siya ng plastic wrap.
I still want to keep eating, but I know better.
Thank you so much guys for watching. We really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Tomorrow, we're gonna cook the best chicken, roasted beef, and what's our salad tomorrow? What's our main?
I was gonna
Side.
Oh, I don't know. I know one's green beans, maybe asparagus.
Maybe asparagus. Mag-asparagus na lang tayo tomorrow. And
Maybe
dessert,
I'll do some kind of potato,
potato.
smashed potato.
Oh yeah. Hindi mo pa nagawa yan sa show. Okay, so that's gonna be tomorrow.
Back to work.
Pag may mga bisita talaga, ganun. Matrabaho talaga, pero we want the best for our visitors.
Always the best.
Not only for visitors, for ourselves as well. It's beef, so I'll just eat a little.
Living like billionaires on a dime
Budget. Because if you eat in the restaurant, that whole roast beef, because the roast beef is already 137 or 120 something.
Well, I won't cook the whole thing. I will cut
Okay, half.
I'll figure it out. I'll have to measure.
Oh, you slice it first?
No, I'll measure it. How many?
Okay. Because you're gonna do the
Because that's too much food for 4 people.
And I only eat a little slice. Thin slice. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again tomorrow. We will see you
Bye-bye.
again tomorrow. Bye-bye.